Have you noticed how fast we get answers now? Like, you barely even need to wonder. Just type something, boom, ChatGPT has it. But hey, when the answers come this easy, do we even feel the need to think anymore? Because knowing and thinking, they're not the same. We used to earn knowledge. Now, we download it. I was fixing my laptop not long ago, tried YouTube, asked ChatGPT, scrolled through all these tech forums, and still nothing really fit. My model was different. The instructions didn't work, so I had to figure it out. Honestly, it was frustrating, but I kinda loved it because I was using my brain again. Piecing stuff together, getting my hands dirty. That's the kind of joy that doesn't come in spite of the struggle. It comes because of it. The effort was mine, the answer was mine, so the satisfaction, that was real. Thinking has a feel. It's not clean, it's not instant, it's messy. It drags you a little, but that's what makes it meaningful. It's like peeling an orange. Takes time, gets messy, juice everywhere. But the smell stays. You remember it. Now, we just drink juice from a bottle. Clean, efficient, forgettable. And maybe that's what we're doing with thinking too. We've stopped peeling. We're just sipping knowledge now. Cold, prepackaged, processed. We traded the practice of thinking for the performance of knowing. And what do we lose in that trade? Ourselves, bit by bit. I mean, yeah, AI saves time, but what are we actually saving time for? If we're being honest, most of us just spend that extra time scrolling or watching something or avoiding something. We weren't taught to think slowly, we were taught to move quickly. Even curiosity isn't curiosity anymore. It's just another algorithm. We don't sit with questions. We just refresh for the next answer. Swipe, scroll, forget. Here's the thing, the Pareto principle still applies. Most people, they use AI to make their lives easier, faster, more efficient. And that's fine. But only a few will use it to go deeper. To actually think more, not less. That's the line. That's the split between people who grow and people who just consume. So which one are you? Let's not forget, deep thinking gives us something back. It gives you inner stability when life is chaotic. Creative adaptability when things break. Real fulfillment, the kind that sticks. It protects your brain. And it gives your life texture, meaning, weight. Remember the pandemic, the people who had trained their minds before that chaos. They weren't just coping, they were adapting, reframing, creating. Not because they had more answers, but because they had more presence. AI isn't making us lazy thinkers, it's just showing us which parts of our mind we've already put on autopilot. But now that we see that, what are you going to do? Don't confuse repetition with mastery. Don't confuse data with wisdom. Go deep, but not blindly. Go wide, but not shallow. Think, not just to get an answer, but to meet yourself inside the question.